Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. So today our team will be present about the case study which is in the subtopic traffic management and the highway maintenance. Before we start, I would like to share my lecturer name which is Puan Juliawati binti Jamaun. Next, I will introduce myself and the group's member. So it's me, Hanim Skandar bin Zulkifli. My matrix number is 40DKA22F1018 and my duties which is to find this information.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.Hamzah bin Zulkifli. My matrix number is 14DKA22F1050. So my duties is editor and prepare the slide.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anif Mu'id bin Muhammad Nuri. Number matrix 14DKA22F1037. My duties is prepare the slide presentation and source of idea.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.Hamzah bin Shamsul with the registration number of 14DKA22F1071 and my duty for this team is to elaborate the content.
Okay, I will continue this presentation. Introduction. Roads enable people to carry out their daily tasks efficiently. Municipal Council, City Hall and District Council are the local authorities responsible for this type of urban roads. This type of pavement is flexible. The lifespan of this flexible pavement is 20 years and after that the road will deteriorate. However, there are some advantages and disadvantages to this route. The chosen road location is located on Jalan Kesang to Sungai Rambai Police Station, Melimau Melaka. This location was chosen because this road is the main road for motorcycle and cars to place in Melimau such as Mumbai, Melimau Pasir and Kilang Rapi. This area also has a large population. There are also several learning institutes, factories at the Kilang Rapi area that operate every day such as Speedmart store and paper factories and retail store around Jalan Sungai Rambai. There are some road damage that we found on the road such as pothole, alligator cracks, drainage problem, broken sign, white canvas line not clear, street light not lit, unclear sign, don't cover crack, longitudinal cracks and slippage. The next page is about road damage. First, longitudinal cracks. The factor of the longitudinal cracks: first, poorly construct pavement land connection. Number 2, the shrinkage of the road pavement surface due to low temperature or hardening of the pavement. Number 3, insufficient support. Number 4, excessive moisture content. The effect longitudinal cracks: first, causing a change in the resonance frequency of the shaft and can further reduce the life of the road. Number 2, can become pothole when receiving a lot of pressure. The solving is digging a road pavement with a length of at least 1 kilometer. Number 2, the road pavement need to be excavated up to the
Next is potholes. At kilometer 1 Jalan Kesang, we found a potholes. Potholes is a bowl-shaped holes resulting from local surface distress. And the factor of potholes is it was caused by fine cracks that are not treated and become wider and sprout until chunks of road surface material are blocked and form potholes. The water that's stagnant in the potholes will easily absorb into the bottom layer, gradually weakening the foundation of the road. And the effect is it can damage tire, a bent or broken wheel, loose of hubcap and wheels out of alignment. Also can cause fatal accident to motorcyclists when they accidentally pass through it. How to solve? Based on the ATJ, first we must make a good traffic management during road closure, marking the area to be cut, remove the damaged pavement material, clean the cut area and dry the cut area if wet. Place the cord under and around the edges of the cut, patching the cut area with asphalt and compact it. Sealing around the cut area with sand seal or chip seal done by pouring hot bitumen around the cut and sprinkling sand.
So next, I will continue the presentation. So that is a road damage that our team found in kilometer 3 at Kesang Johor. So there are factors that alligator cracking happen. First, excessive deflection of the asphalt layers. Second is overloading to the asphalt layers from heavy trucks or buses. The third is by the weekend of the subgrade or unbound layers because of the moisture increase. So there are three effects in alligator cracking. The first is causing a discomfort driving on the road, especially motorcyclists. Second, causing a pothole. And last, road will become sediment. So how to solve the alligator cracking is, number one is replacing all asphalt layers by remove it. Next, replace unbound material by using tack coat. And the third is using a compactor to flat it and give a good strength. And the last step is the replaced area should keep for about 4 hours before open for use.
Next is a slippage. So slippage was found at kilometer 8 at Sebatu, Melaka. A slippage crack is a crescent shape or half moon crack that has two ends pointing away from the direction of traffic. So among the factors that cause this slip crack to occur is the use of too much fine aggregate. It occurs when the vehicle brakes or turns the wheel, causing the pavement surface to slide and change the shape. Second is the surface layer is less than the pressure that a lot of road pavement reaches from vehicle will cause precipitation and the occurrence of road cracks. Third is spreading at low temperature, which is the road pavement shift at low temperatures causing crack to occur. So the causes is the slip crack can cause the vehicle that hits to lose control like a motorcycle. This is because when motorcycle tires to go through the uneven surface and small gravel stone, it is more dangerous at night because the atmosphere is very dark and the visibility of road user is limited with only assistant light from the vehicle. So how to fix it? So one of the way to fix slippage is to cut and patch off the local damage. If it involves the intensive slippage damage, it needs to be treated using the mud and the pave method, which is a method of removing the damaged pavement layer and replacing it with a new pavement layer. So the solution is not enough just to patch the existing crack. The drainage system needs to be developed so that the same type of damage does not occur again. Lastly is conclusion. So in conclusion, road damage can vary depending on the specific context and the circumstance. However, generally speaking, road damage can have several negative impacts. It can lead to increased transportation costs, delay, and inconvenience for consumer and business. It also poses safety risks to the driver, pedestrian, and the cyclist. Therefore, it is crucial to regularly inspect and maintain roads to minimize damage and ensure safe and efficient transportation infrastructure. So we should use the road with a prudence and a caution. Report all road damage to the responsibility party for the safety of road user. A good traffic management is always a priority to handle any traffic congestion if there is any emergency problem. Road maintenance should following the standard operation procedure and do the routine maintenance, periodic maintenance and emergency maintenance in a timely manner.